Well, hi there, Mickey. What you up to? Want to go outside with me? Let's go outside. Want to come?
Okay.
You really believe it's going to rain?
Yep. I think it's gonna rain.
It doesn't feel like rain to me.
It does. No one will be able to. My ditch is filled in.
Hey, that screaming kid at Walmart must have come home over here.
What?
That screaming kid over there at Walmart must have come home over here.
Oh gosh. All right then.
That might be that cypress root, that Italian cypress.
Okay.
So I don't want to cut it.
You don't have to.
Look who's going after the dirt.
Is that Mickey?
Yeah.
I just clear it. I just allow a little trench. More roots in there. I'd cut the roots. Maybe not the other one, but just cut them in.
Isn't that going to hurt your elbow, your bursitis?
I'll be right. This looks like a pepper plant. Is it? Or just weed?
Weed.
Weed? Okay.
Yeah, no pepper plant.
Okay, I'll drain through.
Think so?
Yeah, if it rains. I'll make a hole over here. It's normally over here.
That's Mickey.
No, over here. Oh, look at him. Like a horse. So excited. Okay, that's good. That's just to keep the ground from being from going into the patio.
That's all you're good to do?
Yeah.
You're not going to make it wider,
Heck no.
deeper,
It'll run.
longer?
No, that's your job. Your job. I'm just doing the preliminary trail. Be my guest to widen it and deepen it. I'm good. Did you get to see my black-eyed Susan? Hiding your pretty? Look at Millie chilling out. Where's Brownie?
Alongside the house?
Side?
No, right here.
That's not Brownie. That's Mickey.
Oh, Mickey.
Brownie. That's more Brownie. Let me go see Brownie. Here's Millie. Hi, Millie.
Lots of balloons, no beans. Oh, I see a bean. 1, 2 beans. 2 beans. I just found 2 more beans.
I think it's setting. You're gonna have beans. I'm pretty sure. Two cats. This one's Millie. Millie's a pretty little cat. I think Millie is the prettiest of them all. The face. I think Millie has the prettiest face. And then Brownie has the nicest fur. And Mickey has like number 3 on all categories. But he's number 1 in personality. And Mickey's behind you.
Look at those 2 guys.
Yeah, Millie's cleaning up Brownie. Brownie likes it. That's why Brownie doesn't leave Millie back. Because Millie, Mama Cat, is still treating her like a baby. See? She's still cleaning her up. Cleans her up like a baby. She's very close to her mother, see? Very close. She's a girl though. Mickey behind you there is not. He's supposed to be a tough guy, I guess. He doesn't get cleaned up. You know, you can still put 2 or 3 buckets behind there. You'll get sunner in the front. You can put chard.
I'm out of money.
You're not out of money.
Yeah, I'm
Get some
out of money. No
You're not-
money.
You're not out of money.
Only,
You have plenty.
only if you want to buy me some.
Yeah. I'll buy you 3 buckets and a bag of soil. A bag or 2 bags.
And what do you get to put in it?
Chard.
Chard.
Because chard we use it.
Yeah.
And I plan to use it. It's very good. You know the price of spinach, it's like like $2 for a bag, and it's very light when you cook them down. It's like 3 or 4 big leaves of your chard. So just grow chard. Actually, chard is much more. I bet that it would be much more nutritious than just
Yeah.
few leaves. Very compact. So we'll put more chard. In combination of chard and squash, you have a very nice side dish.
Do you see my little beans over here?
I saw it from the window. You can see it from the window. You got one that's set already over there on the second one.
Right here.
Yeah. There's actually 2.
Yeah.
2. I see 2. I see, no, 3. See? I see 1, I see 2, and I see 3.
Yeah.
You have 3 in there. Oh, there's another one here. See? And there's another one here. They're setting. You're going to have very nice vegetables. Oh, look at all your tomatoes.
Yeah, they made it. Huh?
They all made it. Even the one that wilted,
That's a super wilt.
it's come right up. Are you growing cats too?
Yeah. I am growing
You
cats.
growing cats?
Yeah.
What you save for your garden, you spend on your cat food.
That's right.
Because you buy them Purina. Was that Purina? The dry food?
I can't figure. I don't remember the name of it.
But anyway, it's got Morris on the front of it from the
Yeah.
70s cat. That's the longest running ad I've seen.
Yeah.
But then you also have 3 different kinds of canned wet food that you give them.
Yep.
They prefer that as an appetizer.
There's your vine.
Oh,
growing up.
fantastic.
See
It's
it?
going to be pretty. You know, in the morning, I bet you these are very beautiful when you come up here. I see it from the window, your window, beautiful. Those morning glories, beautiful.
Hey, you want to go up the river and see if it's flowing?
Sure. We definitely can go to the river, see if it's full. Three buckets of chard in order. I think we could use it.
If you want to try and grow lettuce, we can do that.
It's too hot now. We're in the 90
think so?
degrees. Yeah. Let's go with chard. Because we can get lettuce from the supermarket. I can mix it, you know.
How many buckets of chard? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6.
That's all.
6 buckets of chard. And 1, 2, 3, 4,
We
5,
could get
6,
3 more buckets.
7. 7 buckets of chard.
We can get 3 more, put it over there behind your peppers. You still have chard seeds, correct?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Okay, then we'll do a chard. We'll get some more chard.
But you know, there's more chard coming up in these buckets. You can see the seedlings coming up.
That's okay, because when they cook down, you saw how much cooked down.
There's more over there too.
When you cook them, when they cook down to nothing. You can get 1 basin full of chard and cook down to like a cup. You like your spicy chicken, right?
Yeah, here's some more chard. Look.
I'm gonna make my own version of spicy chip. I'm gonna make my own version of spicy chicken. Okay, then you can have a tasting thing.
You got some big leaves out here.
Yeah, I'll take them. Don't worry about them. They're gonna be taken up.
You know, I think it's time to take the bonnets off your zinnias.
Okay. We'll take the bonnets off. You'll probably need a stake. You've got stakes over there. Because as you know, zinnias go up.
Yeah, I've got lots of stakes.
Yeah, we'll do.
Lots of wood for stakes.
We'll do one.
Make many more.
Yeah, we'll get one. I staked this one. It's beautiful. I'll take some cut flowers out of that sometime.
I use that green twine too. Doesn't show.
It's nice. I like it. I like it not showing because, you know, it kind of blends in. It's nice.
Well, if you want to take a trip over, see if the river's flowing,
Okay, let's go.
we can do it.
Yeah, let me go change. So you need to change.